Yes. So good morning all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
For
Good
our
morning,
today's
ma'am.
class
Good morning,
again,
ma'am.
good morning everyone. For our today's class again, we will start our topic that was left yesterday in between. Okay, and that was actually, what was the topic?
Dance.
Tense.
Tenses. Okay, we were
Tenses.
yes, we were learning about the tenses yesterday, and I hope that the yesterday's chapter is clear to everyone. I hope
Yes,
that
ma'am.
yesterday's topic was clear to everyone. Fine. So we will move ahead. We will go
Yes, ma'am.
ahead in our. Okay. So we will go ahead in our today's chapter, and that is actually simple past. Okay. Today we are learning about simple past. Yesterday we discussed about simple present. Today we are learning about simple past. Is it clear?
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Huh.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So, see, as we were learning about simple present yesterday, first we discussed when do we make simple present sentences. Now, as we are learning about simple past, first of all, we will discuss about that when do we make simple past sentences. Okay, first we will think, first we will discuss when do we make, कब बनाते हैं हम simple past के sentences. See, if we are talking about if we are
Ma'am, when
talking
the work
about
done.
yesterday, if we are talking about day before yesterday, if we are talking about last week, you can say last week, you can say last year. Okay.
And we have to write this.
Last month.
Sorry, what were you asking?
Ma'am, we have to write it.
Last month
Not,
was
no, no,
something.
no. We are just using it for understanding. No need for
Okay,
writing.
ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, last day.
Last day, you can say last day, or
Ma'am, last month.
night also. Yes. Month also.
Last day.
Yes.
Last day.
Last
You
day.
can say, you can
Last
say
time.
Last
if you
year.
are
Last month. Last
Last
week.
time.
if you
Ma'am,
are
last
saying,
time.
already I have written last day and night, last month. Okay, 2 days ago. If you are saying 2 days ago, if you are saying 2 months ago, if you are saying 2 weeks ago, if you are saying 2 years ago, then we will make which sentences? Which sentences we will make?
Simple past.
Simple past.
Simple
Okay.
past.
So we have discussed when do we make. So we have discussed when do we make simple past sentences. Now we are going to discuss how do we make. First of all, we will discuss. First of all, we discussed when do we make. Now we are discussing how do we make. So how do we make simple past sentences? See, subject. What is subject? I hope you people know now.
Yes, ma'am.
Subject, because we have discussed 2 or 3 times about the subject. Fine.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I hope that
Yes,
you
ma'am.
people know about
Yes, ma'am.
what is subject. Subject plus verbs
Word.
second
Second
form
form.
plus
Second.
if we are having object
Object.
Object.
object. Fine. So we
And
discussed,
other
we
words.
make the sentence in this format. If we are making simple past sentences, then we will use subject, then we will use verb second form, and then we will use object. Fine. As like, if I am saying, what is subject? What kind of subject? As like I, as like we, as like
we,
you,
you,
as like
she,
They.
as
Your.
like
they,
he,
she,
she,
It.
them,
He.
it, and we.
them,
He.
These are all the subjects.
He.
These are all the subjects which we are having in English. Fine. So, whatever subject we are having, whatever subject, means it can be I, it can be we, it can be you, it can be they, it can be he, she, it, or name. Whatever subject we are having, we have to use only and only verbs second form with each and every each and every subject. Fine. When we were making simple present sentences, see if you remember, अगर आपको याद है आप लोगों को, when we were making simple present sentences, that time what we were doing, we were making sentences for I, we, you, they in a different style, and for he, she, it name we were using s and es also. Do you remember that or not? Hanji.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we for I, we, you, they we were making, or we were using only and only first form of the verb, but for he, she, it name we were using first form of the verb plus s and es also. Good. But
Yes.
but for simple past, whatever subject it is, we will make the sentences only in a single pattern, only in a single format, and that will be for each and every subject we will use only and only second form, nothing else. Fine. So as like I am giving you an example that I bought a new sari yesterday. I bought a new sari yesterday. Means if I am having I, then also I will use bought. If I am having they, then also we will use bought. If we are having she, then also we will use bought, because this is the second form of while. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
कोई
Yes,
सा भी
ma'am.
सब्जेक्ट हो आपके पास बच्चों, कोई सा भी सब्जेक्ट हो, whether it is I, we, you, they, whether it is he, she, it name, हमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ सेकंड फॉर्म यूज करना है. Fine. When we are making simple past sentences.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was the matter of this we were discussing about the declarative sentences. Declarative. Do you know what kind of sentences are called declarative sentence? Hanji.
Simple sentence.
Simple sentences. You can call them positive sentences also. Means when we are giving an information. When we are giving an information in a sentence, that kind of sentences are called declarative sentence. Fine. We can call them positive sentences also. Fine. Now we are
Assertive
discussing.
sentences.
Hanji. Yes.
Now we can also come in assertive.
Assertive also. Yes. This can be called positive, this can be called declarative, this can be called assertive also. Fine. And informative also. It can be called informative also. Now we will discuss another type of sentence, and that is interrogative.
Ma'am, in which we ask a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second. Yes, interrogative sentence. See, if we are
Ma'am, इनमें
discussing
question
about
पूछे जाते हैं.
Yes, beta. When we make this interrogative sentence for past, we are talking about past only. We are talking about simple past only. So when we make simple past question mark sentences, means interrogative sentence for simple past, then how do we ask the question? A question is asked in always always a question is asked in interrogative sentence. Fine. So how do we ask a question for past? How do we ask a question? As like I am asking, क्या
By
आपने
putting helping verb first.
नहीं नो देखिए, अगर मैं आपसे कल के लिए क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ, कल के लिए जैसे मैंने आपसे बोला था कि आप चैप्टर पढ़ना. फाइन. अब मैं आज आपसे पूछ रही हूँ कि क्या आपने चैप्टर पढ़ा था, क्या
Have
आपने
you read
चैप्टर
the
पढ़ा था?
chapter?
How I will ask?
Have you read the chapter?
नहीं, no.
Have.
Did you?
Ma'am, did you read the chapter?
Did you read the chapter? Did you read the chapter? And because it is an interrogative sentence, that's why we are using a question mark after the
Sentence.
Fine. So whenever we asking a question for past, whenever we ask a question for past, we will use did for asking a question.
Did.
If I am asking, did you keep fast on Shivratri? Did you keep fast on शिवरात्रि? शिवरात्रि की बात कर रहे हैं हम, जो लास्ट शिवरात्रि चली गई है उसके लिए बात कर रहे हैं कि क्या आपने व्रत किया था. Did you keep fast? Did you keep fast on Shivratri? Fine. So हम इस तरह से क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. Whenever we ask a question for simple past, then we always use did. And one more thing you should keep in mind. One more thing you should keep in mind. See, when we were making simple sentences, declarative sentence बना रहे थे, तो we were using second form as like what we used. But with did, we will not use second form. We will use only and only first form with did. Why? What is the reason?
Ma'am, could you say your voice is not audible?
My voice is not audible.
Yes, ma'am.
That, just a second, let me check. I don't think so. Everything is fine from my side. So, what we were discussing about, हम क्या बोल रहे थे कि did के साथ हमेशा first form use किया जाता है. Can anybody tell me the reason of that? Why aren't we using second form for making past question sentences? See, I am telling the reason. See, when we make a sentence for past, we use second forms for a single time. हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही बार के लिए सेकेंड फॉर्म यूज करते हैं पास्ट के सेंटेंसेज में. एक सिंगल सेंटेंस की बात कर रही हूँ. एंड लगाकर अगर आप दूसरा सेंटेंस ज्वाइन कर देते हैं, देन यू कैन यूज अ सेकेंड फॉर्म फॉर सेकेंड टाइम ऑल्सो. बट इफ वी आर हैविंग ओनली ए सिंगल सेंटेंस, अगर हमारे पास सिर्फ एक सिंगल सेंटेंस है, तो हम कैसे यूज करेंगे डिड के साथ? इसीलिए हम फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज इट इज ऑलरेडी ए सेकेंड फॉर्म. डिड इज सेकेंड फॉर्म फॉर डू. डू का सेकेंड फॉर्म होता है डिड, है ना? एंड वी आर यूजिंग डिड, देन we have to use first form with did. That was the reason actually. Fine. Now I asked you a question. Did you read the chapter? You people are saying, some of you may be saying, yes, I read the chapter. अगर हम yes में आंसर दे रहे हैं, if we are saying yes, I, what we will say? Yes, I read or read?
Read.
What is the second form of read?
Read.
Read. हम जो read का second form होगा, what's going on? तो read का जो second form है, that is read.
Read.
So we will ask the students who will answer yes I read, they will say yes I read the chapter. Actually read की जो forms होती है, their spellings are same. Read, 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 but their pronunciation is different. Pronunciation is called, कैसे हम बोलते हैं उसे? फर्स्ट वाली जो है वो read बोला जाएगा, सेकेंड फॉर्म read बोला जाएगा, थर्ड फॉर्म भी read बोला जाएगा. ओके. So यहाँ पर अगर the students who are saying कि हाँ हमने पढ़ा था, they will use read the chapter. But कुछ लोग ऐसे भी तो होंगे जिन्होंने नहीं पढ़ा होगा. How will they say?
Yes, ma'am.
कैसे आंसर करेंगे?
No, I don't read the chapter.
I didn't read the chapter.
I did not read the chapter because the question was asked with did, so the answer is always given with did only. I did not read the chapter. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When the question is asked with did, then the answer will be given with did not. If you are saying negative, if you are answering in negative form, then you will say did not. That was the reason. That was the actually when we are making negative sentence, fine. But if we are making positive, then we will use second form. So this was all about simple past. If anybody is having any query or doubt related to simple past, you can ask me right now.
No, ma'am. No query.
No query?
No, ma'am.
Should we move ahead? Hanji?
Yes.
Should we move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are discussing the next tense, that is simple
Simple future.
Future tense.
simple future. Okay. And
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is simple future? When do we make? First of all, again we will discuss when do we make simple future sentences. कब बनाते हैं हम, पहले ये डिस्कस करेंगे. If we are talking about
Next day.
Next day.
tomorrow,
Next day.
if we are
Day
talking
after
about
tomorrow.
tomorrow,
Next week.
if we are talking
Okay,
about
ma'am.
day
Day
after
after
tomorrow,
Sir. Day after tomorrow.
2 days after.
After today.
yes,
Tomorrow.
after 2 days you can say, after
After.
2 days, 7 days, 2 months, 2 years, whatever it is, fine.
After a year, after a week,
Yes,
after an
yes.
hour.
Yes. And we will say,
Ma'am, after,
हाँ,
after a minute.
and we will say next day,
Next day. Next
Next
week.
year. Next
Next
year.
week.
Month. Next year.
Next
month,
hour. Next week.
Day.
and
Next minute. Next.
Next year.
means
Next
when
day.
we talk about all these things, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, after 2 days, next day, next week, next year. If we are talking about these things, we will make simple future sentences. So this was all about, means when do we make simple future sentences. This was, we were discussing when do we make. Now we will discuss how do we make. कैसे बनाते हैं हम, अगर sentences बना रहे हैं simple future के, how do we make. See, subject, when we are having subject like I and we, fine, we will use shall plus verbs first form.
Verb.
First form. If we are having the remaining subjects like you,
He, she, it,
they, he, she,
name,
it,
name.
name. See, the remaining all the subjects, means 6 subjects were remaining. I and we have taken here for shall. I and we, with I and we will use shall plus verbs first form, and with he, they, you, they, he, she, it, name. What we will use? We will use will
Will.
plus verbs first form.
Confirm.
Fine. Got it? If we are using, if we are discussing, Hanji,
Yes,
beta,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
if we are making a sentence, I will, just a second, I shall take a class tomorrow. I shall take a class tomorrow. I am saying I shall take a class tomorrow. कि मैं कल भी आपकी क्लास लूंगी. Means for the upcoming future we are making the sentences for upcoming future. The time that is going to come. If we are making that sentence, we are making the sentences for that time, we will make future sentences, and we will use shall with I and we, and for remaining subjects as like you, if we are making a sentence for you, they, he, she, it, name, whatever it will be, we will use will
Will.
as like you will come to my birthday party. You will come to my birthday party. That is a future sentence कि आप आओगे मेरे birthday party में. That is all about the simple future sentence for declarative sentence. This was all about the declarative sentence. If anybody is having any doubt, you can ask me right now. Otherwise, we are leaving the class for today because the time is over. So, anybody having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we are leaving for today. That is enough for today. Bye bye, all of you.
Yes. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Yeah, same to you, बच्चों.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.